Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have by SugarFox. It is a foldable organizer for the back of my car. So I'll show you it here, and then I'll go put it in my car. And there. And so I've had a couple of these before, but not one as nice and durable looking as this. So the way it will work is you can hold it like this and have it nice and small, but when you want to make it big, flip it open, and look at that. Nice and big. It's got even got covers over the top of it, so you can cover your stuff up if you don't want people to take it. And then in here, it looks like we have this piece here, which looks like it's going to be the bottom cover for it. So let's go ahead and put that in there. Give it some durability here. Stability, not durability. Stability. There we go. So now we have a nice stable box. And then I'll give you that in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. And then I have a couple of partitions here too. So we can put the partitions wherever we feel. So I'll put one right over here. And I'm just going to open up the other snap here and see where we can put the other one. I don't know if we even need the other one. I think we can just do one and have it separated into two sections is probably all we're going to need. So for me, I would just use it like this. I guess you could put them in between here and make them smaller or something, but I like big sections, so that is what I am going to have. So there we have that, and we even have the tops for it there. We can snap off that top if we don't want it on there. Up on the front, we have the SugarFox logo here, and then we have a couple of few little pouches here to put stuff. So that is cool. So if we only wanted to use half of it, we have the ability to fold this up. So if we didn't want such a big one, we could fold this up here. Oh, don't throw that in very good. And then we could squish this side back down and flip this up here and here. And now we have just a little one, so we can make it half the size. So kind of cool. We have different options with it. And then on the side here, we have a little zipper pouch here. So that's kind of nice too. So we can zipper things in. That's good. A little Velcro pouch side too. Nice little setup here. So really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the car, and you guys can see me in a minute. And here you see I have it in my car right now, and I have it just here. It fits into the back section like this. If I have those back seats up, I'll show you. Give it a pat. I have this seat up. It can still fit here with this way. If I wanted it long, I could do it that way there. But it's good. I have some bike tires and some other random stuff in here, a brush, and I'll put my little visor in there. So very cool. A nice place to store stuff without it shaking around in the car. Thumbs up.